So yan, magkakaroon na tayo ng games. We're having a game right now. Okay.
Okay, wait, bibilangin ko muna. Julia has 2, JC has 1. 1, 2. 2, sorry.
Okay.
Arrange mo.
Ulit na. Rearrange nyo ulit.
JC has
Mamash na.
0 and... Wait lang.
Marami ata apat.
JC has 0 and Julia has 0.
Sabi niyo, confident lang. Julia, yung sino din?
Ulit, mag-arrange kayo ulit.
Julia wins and JC has 2.
Okay. What's the prize? Oh, may prize. Get the prize. Okay. Next, ano? Next contestant, please.
Julia.
Oh, guys, yan na. Re-arrange na nila yung... Oh, dito kayo para nakikita nila.
Sakay kay Lola.
Re-arrange nila ulit yung dito sa, ano na, para i-match nila later. So, maglalaban ngayon si Jamie at si Sop. Sop. So,
Game again.
nanalo ng 100 pesos.
Stop, Jamie, tingin na.
Okay, ito na.
Tingnan
Next.
niyo yung bilang
No
mo,
coaching ha,
habang-
no coaching.
Go.
No coaching.
Okay, first si Jamie has 2 and Sop has... Huwag mo nang galawin.
Huwag mong gagalawin muna.
Jamie has 2 and Sop has 0. Ay! Ay!
Okay.
Okay. Jamie has... Sige, stop. Jamie has 1, Sop has 0.
Okay, arrange again. Oh no.
Oh.
No.
Wait lang, nalilito ako. Jamie has 1, Sop has 1. 1.
2.
1, 2, 1 lang.
Oh, sa'yo.
1 lang. Go. Jamie has 0, Sop has 0.
I can do this forever. That's for
Jamie
Eva and
has
Eva.
2,
Ay, 2.
Sop has 1.
Move mo, Sop. Move mo.
Okay ba? Yan. So, guys, isa na ating game na yan.
Sop has 1, Jamie has
Matagal-tagal ito.
1.
That's for 100 pesos.
Okay.
Okay, may nanalo na.
Jamie wins.
Okay, may premyo.
Okay,